Papa, I'm so tired. Let's sleep here and do recording tomorrow, okay? No problem. Okay. Good night. The next day. Oh, Papa, recording. Okay. I was just kidding, guys. It's actually a box that I've been hiding. So, we don't need this pillow. Yay! Yeah, we don't need it. I just threw it. There. That's the road. I just threw it. Okay. Let's see what's this. You can't see. You have to subscribe and like the video if you want to see.
I will do. Please show.
Yeah, subscribe and like.
Thank you.
So, if you're on a phone, tablet, if you're on a phone, turn your phone this way, then here there'll be a subscribe button glowing red. Just click it and you'll join our world and be able to see every single video we upload in 1 month. That makes no sense. Why did I say 1 month? Okay, so now you guys have subscribed. Wait, I didn't tell you the PC. So if your PC, if it's like this or like this, just scroll a little down with your mousy mouse or your touch tab, whatever you call it, and then hit that glowing red subscribe button to grey. Now you have done that. Now you can see. Are you sure to subscribe? You have to promise me.
I have done it.
Okay. See. Yeah, we don't need this. Yay!
What's that?
3D pen. Today is the first series unboxing.
Flip the side and show.
This is the other side.
3D pen. What does it do?
It does this. That's what it does. When I read the instructions, I was like, what is this, bruh? So, I'll tell you what you can do with this. You can make that.
Wow.
And I'm not joking, it's a 3D pen. Here are the shadows.
Okay, let's open and see.
What? This is an Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, you can do that and you can make butterfly also. And there are, on the side, they have made something. Nothing. There's some instructions. Okay. Okay, let's open it.
Let's open. Oh, I opened it wrong way. This is how it should be opened. I opened it full upside down.
What do we have in
Oh, the 3D pen cover.
Indeed.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Bring it a little closer, please. Or I'll bring my camera closer.
Yep, it came out. Or maybe I secretly pulled it.
Okay, let's see what we have here.
What is this book?
Some instructions.
Didn't make any sense. That's why I started coughing.
No, we have to show the instructions.
Oh, this is a wire that you have to insert that will melt, that will make the 3D project. Did my words make sense?
Closer.
This is my 3D pen. Why is it pink? It said that you can get any color. There's 1 in 4 chance. 1 in 4 because there were 4 colors.
Okay, show me what else do we have. What's the thing there?
VR.
Okay, so we have.
Yeah, you have to charge it. There's a charging plug.
Interesting. And what do we have here?
And in the instructions, when I read it,
what is that? Some stand?
when I read the instructions, when this thing is on, don't touch this.
Yeah,
it
it
will
must
be
be.
blazing hot.
Yeah, it must be super hot.
Like Minecraft Blaze, who shoots fireball and gas.
Okay.
This video is not sponsored by Minecraft.
Interesting. Okay.
Okay.
So you wanna show some instructions?
30 minutes later, after charging, does not work because we didn't even charge it. Ha! Show me. Show me, man.
Okay, so yeah, that's it. What do we have? Just remove the box and keep the contents out. And keep the.
This is a stand for charging, I think.
Keep this aside.
Yay! Bro, that almost fell.
Put it in middle, better.
Ouch.
Be careful.
You're not going anywhere.
Okay. And don't close that to that. Okay, so this is the pen that we've got. And this is the charger you've got.
See, I'm drawing. See, I drew a blue shape.
It's loose, huh?
Yeah, so you can insert and.
But it's super loose. Show me.
I seriously don't know what purpose this is for.
No, when you're drawing, it must be super hot. So just in order to take a break, you need to put it like this, I guess.
No, but won't all of the ink come out?
No, no. There are some controls also here, up, down,
Yep. Down means insert.
There's something here.
And up means outsert.
Okay.
Does outsert make any sense?
Okay, how do we insert that wire?
There's a plug.
No, wire.
There's a plug on the. There's
Backside?
literally a plug thing where you place.
No,
the
this
plug.
wire.
Oh, this goes here. I read it.
Okay.
I read it. I'm not joking. It goes there.
Okay. So the idea is, can you open one? Let's see. Let's try to put. We're not making now, but.
That's for the second video.
Okay.
Ooh. Whoops, I told you. No problem. This is a series. I can tell anything.
Yeah. Okay, so unboxing.
30 minutes later. Done charging. Didn't even open this.
Yeah, so we have to charge and then we'll come back again.
No, but that's for the second video because after charging we can draw.
Yeah, of course.
So see, this is where you insert the charging. I'll show them. Insert. And then place. Yay, hooray! I cannot reach the charger. It's kind of hard to fit in, hard to take out.
Or we have to keep it plugged when we are doing it.
No, it's just a charging thing. Like you charge your laptop, it works for 1 month, then it dies, then you have to charge it again. It's like that.
It says.
It says nothing because I can't.
It says you have to keep it plugged. There's no charging.
Oh.
So while drawing, you have to keep it plugged.
Oh, then how did ZHC do it in his video?
What does it say in this? Does it say charging? Anyway, we'll just figure it out.
So ZHC, I'll give you a shout out because I got your idea from this. I got the idea from this. So I'll give a big shout out to you. Papa, can you put links in the description?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, then ZHC, I'll put your link in the description. Okay? Put ZHC channel in the description link. Are you sure you can do that? Because it's a kid's channel.
Okay, so it has to preheat also.
Preheat?
Yeah. So yeah, we have to be a little careful. Anyways, so let's close it off and.
Okay. Let's pack it. It's almost ready. Keep it back.
No, we have to put it in charge.
Keep it. Keep it. That's for the next video. Take. We need to insert this back.
Okay.
So we'll meet you in the second video of this series. Okay. So bye guys, and stay healthy, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.